All right, here we go. Good morning. January 6th, 2026. Got an echo. All right. I can turn him off. All right. We got 8 minutes till open. I removed, it got too busy for me, so I removed TCS, put him down below where he was. I'll just monitor him down there. I'll try to show him if I can. If not, I'm not worried about it. Daily. Let's look at the daily. Real quick, if we can. All right, here we go. There. All right, so here's the daily. Yesterday we made a little inside candle. And today we're inside that inside candle. So until we break through the high of 713 or to the low of about 400, 400, I mean, could be a lot of chop. Just a lot of chop in there. So case in point, if I bring up the 15-minute chart, I was really hoping we were going to break through this guy with some authority, but we never really did. We kind of just meandered down right around 2 o'clock or so. Actually, there was a big drop there at 1. But anyway, you can see today's pivot's pretty small. Looks like it's 7, 14, 15 points, something like that. Right? 556. Oh, 572. Yeah. So anyway, today's daily is 25,564. That's the daily pivot. We're in between that and the bear zone. So you can see this morning we came up and hit it. I'm guessing we're going to come back up and take it out. That would be my guess. You got yesterday's high somewhere right around here at 707. So we're going to have to take that. But first thing is the London high here at 670 and the London low at 525 roughly. So it'll be dependent on what they want to do. We got a poor man's low, which they probably don't worry about, and poor man's high. So we'll see what they're going to do. We did make a little lower low compared to here. We did not take this one out. So, you know, one could just be simple and say, look, we take this, put this across there, we break across that, and we're going to go up here and take that guy out. So we just came down a few minutes ago, hit VWAP. Kind of bounced. We tried to take it out twice. So, okay, I don't want to be opening and be playing with charts. So, all right, we got 4 minutes left. Let me turn this guy on. You can see I put in some these guys here. Just keep it simple, same as Gunslinger. These guys should reset before market open, but shows you what we did yesterday. The inside bar 15-minute did 40 points. I don't usually count the 2. And the inside play, our inside bar 5 minutes failed. Well, I would probably have to go back through and look at it. I don't know if it actually failed as it did. It failed my criteria. Oh no, it would have failed because we came down through the bottom. So, all right, I better get lined up here. All right, so as usual, I'm trading. Let me just double check. Bot Suite, I'm trading 2, 4, 6, 8 contracts to start with. And then we'll see what I trade after that. Gunslinger has his own evals. And PA, and TCS has its own. So they'll be playing 2, 4. I think everything's set for 3, 6, or so that's one's 5. So TCS is going to be 5 contracts, and Gunslinger 1, 2. Gunslinger is going to be about 6. So there you go. All right, so we're right in the middle on the 15-minute of, well, for the most part, between CPR and bear zone. My guess is we'll come out and take that out, take out that trend line. That trend line is currently about 653. So if we pop up above 653, 655, you got the bear zone at 661. So that would be the watcher. So we shall see how they play it today. Good luck. And then we got a buy. We had our last buy signal at around, I had my last buy signal around 908 at 600, 25,600. So if these don't correctly thing, I'll probably take them out pretty quickly. And anyway, midnight open right up here at 547, it looks like. All right, good luck. Okay, so I got my sim suite, and I'll just let it go. My goal today is not to touch any of the bots, just let them run. All right, 10 seconds. Good luck. Good morning, Michael. Good morning. Here we go. There's open. I did not take the trade for whatever reason. Oh, I just took it for it. Take one off. And I'll leave one run. Nope, probably should. I didn't miss. And there's the move up. That was a good one. These guys didn't reset either. Darn it. All right, good move up. Game of pots there. We busted up through at 55. We took out so far that trend line, came up and hit the bear zone. That's what we're struggling with right now at around 660. 660. What's the actual numbers? 661 to 702. Entry 40. Okay. I'm going to take this long right here. Seen this many times and I never take it. I was thinking, today I'm going to take that. Okay. Come on. All right, we're just kind of stalling out here. So 702 is the height of the bear zone. So midnight open 647. They're going to come down, I think. Okay. I'm going to try that right there. Come on, let's go. See if the midnight open will hold. There you go. Good push up. See if we can get a little rock and rolling. Trying to get above. So we took out the London high at 670. So I'm going to just make sure well, there you go. I'm out a little bit. Because there's always a chance we can come down and take out the London low. So we're creating a little step here. All right, so IP, it cleared out, but 15 did not. I'll have to work on that. Okay, we've got we got our first 5-minute candle. Oh, actually, we have our first 5-minute candle in, and we're exceeding it. That's not a good sign. We're down below the open. See if we come back up. There we are, back above midnight open, or trying to get above there. What do I like here? We did come down to the 21 EMA. Damn it, didn't see that, missed it. Got a good bounce off the 21 EMA there. I think I missed that though. Come on, push up there. Tried to get back above the bear zone, got stopped. There we go. Let's go. Come on. Back up there. Just trying to stay out of the way. Come on, get one more push up there. Now I'm going to lock in at 57 there. At least I don't lose money. Yep, it took me out. Damn it, that was a good play up though. From 27 to 77, so 50 points. Wow. Quickly. Oh, I better make sure I turn this guy on. Okay, he's on. All right, this guy's done. This guy should be on, and this guy should be on. Okay, we're back down to the 21 EMA. $15-minute, putting in a doji, but right now we got 6 minutes left on that guy, so it looks like we bounced again from the 21 EMA. Wow. If we get back above midnight open, we'll try for another long. We're only up 55 points right on NQ, so it's not like it's a solid, strong ass move today. Back down to the 21 EMA, 25 seconds left on this 2-minute. I'd like to see if that 15 minutes start to fill out some green. If we close below the 21 EMA, I'll probably be going short. Oh, cat just came in. Okay, move it along, baby. Likes to get right up in there. Yeah. See if we can take out them highs there. Come on. Nope. Come on, let's go. Up, up and away. Back down to that 21 EMA again. Right down to VWAP. We're going to drop VWAP. Got a sell signal. Missed it at 640. 630. Where's my target? First target would be 590. First target would be 590 and then 527. So I'm going to look for another entry. Right there. 590 is first target. Okay. Wow. Quick and clean. What's our ATR? 1 minute. It's 20 points. Hmm. $607. All right, opening range is in. Come up and hit the top of the middle section at 50%, 642. Oh, sorry. It's 9:44, so we still have 10 more seconds for the opening range locks in. All right, now we're locked in. Wow. Just go, boy, go. We get above 677, I'll probably take that. I would like it to come back down to 643. Oh, nope, too late and too quick. Okay, yesterday's high is at roughly 708. Oh, there's Gunslinger taking a shot. He's going up to the high at 708. Come on, let's go. Don't stall. $678. We're leaving some 1 minute gaps below. Stayed in that one. Okay. Good win. Good Momo. They were back up or were above 708, which is yesterday's high. I just couldn't stay in. Okay, the pre-market 2-minute look took a 1 win, 1 loss, 15 points. Basically, it took 35 on the up and it lost on the short. So now we got the updated these guys, so as soon as we take a trade, they should update properly. We're fighting yesterday's high at 708, trying to stay above it. So ATR is running 21.5 on the 1 minute. Busting up on the 2 minute here. Damn it. And we're about 25 on the 2 minute. So just about as high on the 1 minute as we are in the 2 minute. Here's last stand 25, 744. See if we get a stop there. There you go, we just hit it. Not going to stop. Pretty strong. So yesterday's inside bar. Yeah, I should have played it just like an inside bar, right? 708. Just take that long. It came down to 685. Could have got stopped out and then just re-entered. On the daily. Yep. So the next one we have is 803. 803.75 is the prior day. So that would be the 2nd of January high. Like if we come down and retest that, I would take a long there. A lot of eager beavers there. They all fucking got it before it got down there. Buyers stepping in. Come on, get back down there. I really don't want to be in right there. Let's see what happens here. We might come back down and get to that spot. Retest yesterday's open. They're trying. Buyers are just stepping in. Come on, push it up, baby. Let's see. 5. Let's make it a 9. Let's shoot for 100 points. I'm playing 9 EMA as my exit. Right now it's at 737. Now it's at 741. $761. Here we go. See if we can get that bounce at 45. Let me close my door. I'll be right back. All right. What the fuck? Now the cat wants out, so I'll be right back again. All right. Back. We're up 37. Come on, baby. Let's go. Give me 100. We got a new 15-minute going. I was debating on whether I wanted to be out for it. So I think what I'll do is I'll lock in $20. That's 48. 68 would be my next. I could do 58, but 68 would be better. All right, this guy's trying to get up to 781. I'm going to put a stop right there. 48. We got that new 15, so he could play some games here. We're only on minute 12. I'd kind of like to stay in this trade, see if we can continue up. Hold on, I think my wife locked herself out. Yes, she did. Okay, back in. Oops. Am I back? Yep, I'm back. Come on, baby, get 781. 781 and then Gunslinger would be done. So far, TCS has not taken a trade. Okay, got me. This guy will take, if we come back up before we stop out, that's 22 points. So I will do this one there, and I'll buy it again. Chart trader hidden. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was worried about, that 15-minute candle being new. I thought about it, maybe I should just take profit at the top, but that's okay. I might take and just re-enter. Hey, turd. Guess we're going to come back down. One more time. See if it'll hold. So nice move off the daily low, and we're coming up on Friday's high, which is 803.75. We could get a nice punch up through there if we can get up there. Oh, come on. Okay, we're just doing a little consolidating, a little sideways action here. Come on. Struggling a little bit, just wasting some time. Down to 7 minutes on the 15. Oh yeah. Let's go. Come on. So I got that 1 minute gap fill at 38 right here. There's another one down. Oh, that one's been filled. 5 minutes got a big gap fill. $738.48 would have been a good one. There's a potential sell signal here. Maybe we need to come back down to the 21 EMA. Come on, leave me alone. Come on. All right, 2 minutes left on the 15. Just not going to get anywhere. God. If they push this up, won't be too happy. So far, putting it like a doji on the 15-minute. All right, 3 seconds. New 15 coming out. Kind of got a doji. Could be a continuation. I'd like to be able to come down to the 21 EMA right here, if possible. $61. If we get back above 61, that's not going to be good for me. That's where they want to go. It looks like. Yep, motherfuckers. Kind of slow. At least for me. There we go. Get that dark, get that light off me. I got nothing, Michael. Let me see what SPY doing. Everybody's kind of in a sell pattern and shit. I think we... Yeah, I'm going to get out of here. You know, everything I mean... Yeah, I'm out. Let's get out of here. I mean, fucking all I'm doing is flip-flopping. I got a sell signal on my trading view system. And I feel pretty good about it, but shit, I just can't. I'm going to try to hold on here. So SPY is showing a sell, and Q is showing a sell, and it should be a strong one too. But look at this shit. Yeah, I'm going to play a box. Yeah, the bottom of the box is at the 21 EMA, unfortunately. Down at 26. About. We dropped down below 726, and that would indicate a 15-minute short. Yeah. As they say, don't diddle in the middle. I think we come down. I just don't know how to play it. That's about the only thing I have is a 15-minute long or short. And the long will be above 72.75, and the short is going to be 26.50. Do something like this. I guess go short here, that would be at the high of the range. My stop would be at 67. Not that I think it's going to go short though. They got to take out that high. Okay, ideally I'd like to say keep above 72 or 73. 72.75. I wouldn't mind adding one. Let's go, come on. What kind of shit? You gotta be kidding me. That's fucking ES. Damn it. Yeah, looking on the wrong chart. Oh, let's get out of here. Let's see what ES would have done, or Gunslinger would have done on ES today. Yeah, 2.5 points. Nice little flag to start off with. Boom, boom. Oh, he would be in a trade right now. On YM. Hasn't taken the stop yet. ES is starting to come down. There you go. Go. I'm not in it. Spy, what are you doing? Spy's coming down like it's supposed to. ES just is not. Okay, TCS took a short at 51.25, looking for 40.5, 12 point and 22 points. Okay, took 12, want to break even. Since I don't have any other trades going on, here's the trade. First trade of the day. I'm going to take this to target 1. Should have just taken it off. Couldn't get there. Wasn't fast enough. Oops. I don't know what happened there. Normally this would be my entry right here. And I'd shoot for 20. And 38. Summed up my day right there. All right, good short on TCS's part. If we close this candle below the 21 EMA, in which case then I take my other trade right there. Oops. Didn't get there in time, but hopefully that wasn't just like a little sweep. I'm not going to interfere in any more trades. Just let them trade out. So for TCS, I do need to go to break even after he takes the trade. And if I hit this, I'll look for 20 points. All right, 3 minutes, 45 seconds left on the 15. The break low is 733.25, which we kind of swept it, but we haven't made a move off it yet. If we can get below that 731 bar, we might be able to come down and take him out at 24 pretty easily. I'm going to come on down here and see if I can get 711. I was in at 40. 20 point would be my minimal. Coming back up to the 21 EMA. Fuck you. Let's go. Got to drop 31. We get in at 41 there. I don't think that was a bad entry. Still like it. All right, 1 minute left on the 15. Let's say, oh, that was yesterday's. That 710 area would be perfect to hit. Watching SPY, it's coming down. I'd like to get to 708 would be fantastic. Just missed me by a tick. Fucker. All right, I'm going to get out here. See, Mr. Fibs is live. And everyone's done, I think. Well, see if we go up there and close that gap at 732. We just did 732 on the 5-minute. The 15 is right there. 33. We're at 31. I'll try a short there. My stop, a very small stop. See if we come down to the bear zone, that'd be pretty cool. Keeping an eye on SPY. Kind of diddly-dallying around, just like NQ. Come on, you filled the gap. You don't need to go up any higher. I was hoping for a 5-minute gap rejection. Give me 10 points. So that would be from 30, 31 down to 21. Come on, give me 21. Real quick. The other way. Still looking like a good place to short. Oh, there was that 1-minute gap at 36. We're also fighting the 1-minute EMA there. One-minute EMA's at, what is that, about 25,720, 25,719. SPY's looking good. I'm going to put a trend line up from the bottom on the 1-minute trend line and or 1-minute trend and 1-minute wicks and see if I can get a break there. Something like that. Break down through the 1-minute weighted down at 20. Doesn't want to break it. No, but I think we're going to break it. If they want to come down and retest that 708 area. There we go. We're testing it now. We can lose that. We can get a nice little pump down. Nice little push. Let's go. Try it again. Try it again. There we go. I'm going to lock in 09. Yeah, you got me. Oh, there it goes. Fuck you. Wasn't ready for it. Too late. Shitty fill. Bullshit bang. All right, let's get out. See if I can get out with a point or two. Literally. Doesn't look like it. Oh, shit. Okay. Spy took me out. Bam. Good job, Spy. Good job, Spy. Okay, I don't want to be in there for this push back up real quick. So let me get out. Okay, coming back down to VWAP here. So I'm going to place a fib. Let's go NQ. The 942 candle. Here, I'll just do it on here. Right here. In this case, it's the 944 on NinjaTrader. Well, basically, I'm taking from the low to the session high. And 61.8 is right there, 673. So what do we do? See, and I forget sometimes, but I need to watch this for this, my favorite play. The retracements, where you take it from the high, and you'd go to where we break the 23.6, which is right there. And what do? We came back up to the 50% or the 61.8, and then we came down. Darn it. All right, so we hit the 61.8, almost to the tick, and bounced. Also bounced at opening range high, VWAP. So there was a lot of things, a lot of good things there. 78, there's 10 points. I could take a long. Come on down a little bit. If it comes down a little bit, I can take, oh, I'd like to take that long. Nope, not going to come down. now it's going to come down. All right, we're at 91, 93. I'm going to try it. Okay, we're going to close this 2-minute candle. Hopefully we stay up. And then I'll add one at 96 if we get there. Right there. Come on, get up there. Take out 700. Get back above. Well, we're in the bear zone. So be a little careful. Top of the bear zone is at 702. We have to redo that. Okay, so my break even is at 93. Right there. I'd like to see a strong push from right here. If not, I probably got to get out. Come on. There we go. Come on, stay in there. Let me stay in this trade. There we go. Come on, push it up. Ah, we're in that fucking bear zone, damn it. See, I got a 1-minute gap fill starting at 702. It's not a very big one. Well, maybe we come down here. 644. $644. All right, we got a new 15. Actually, 87 would probably be my stop. 87.75. Okay. Bottom of the bear zone is 661. So we need to be conscious of that. Backfilling, testing out that trend line that we broke out on the 15-minute. Right now, the intersection is 650. 25,650. Trying to break that. I don't know what that line is. Oh. No, it's something. Oh, trading hour. That's the London high. 670. That's what we're holding up on. If we break that, then the next stop is 670 or 661. Down to 644. My entry 74. Let's go. Come on. About 644. Damn, we only got 6-point separation right now. 661. All right, there's that 661. Perfect. Get the midnight open there at 647. Lock in 64 if I can get down to 54. Ah, you fucker. Let's go. Come on. Get down to the 5-minute weighted moving average, which is at 639. We're now back testing that trend line on the 15-minute that we drew originally before market. Remember that? From there to there, we just came down and dropped below that. PCS won't take another trade until it gets a long in, and right now I don't see that happening. We're at the 78.6 at 44, so I'm going to drop this guy down. Midnight open is at 647. We could come back up and fill that gap and take me out, but oh well. We got to protect here. Could we come down lower? Yeah, we still have a minute 54 to go. Got a few confluences going though. So 78.6. I don't feel that lucky to try a long from here, but we could with a stop around 38. That'd be a 10-point stop. That wouldn't be too crazy. Back up to VWAP, see if we can get it. 39. Yeah, we'll just put it right here. Come on, give me 10. All right, I'm going to lock in. Yeah, we'll just take it if we get it. $10 or $20. Not quite 20, but maybe it stays up. Nope. Here we go. I'll take that 20. Locked in 20. And I'm out. All right, no harm, no foul. Go back up to the 21 here. 98. You can do it. Come on. All right, got above VWAP, locked in above. We are back above the 61.8 on that move up. We should be able to get to the 21 EMA, I would think. We got a big 1 minute gap below us. We may come down and try to take it out. Oh, we got pretty close. Yep. Or use that as a bounce off, and I'll take that long again. We can get back above VWAP. Putting in that 1 minute gap fill, we came down and hit the top of it and bounced. Still have 3 minutes on the 15, so we could play around a little bit here. Okay. Good. Minute 40. Let's go. So I'm watching the 15 minute just because it's got putting in a little doji. So if I can lock in some points, I'd rather lock some points in. We are above VWAP, so that's a positive. Very small one. And then we got a nice reversal on the 5 minute, so that's good. Which 74 is kind of its point. So maybe I should just come down a hair. But I would like to stay above. If we can get above 82, that would turn that red doji into a, or not doji, but red hammer into a green, kind of a green hammer. Here's the problem, it's coming back down. That 15 minutes just not done yet. It's got a minute 47 left. We're getting back below VWAP. Got to stay above VWAP. Come on. Nope. There you go. All right. It was worth the shot. Could still be a good buy right now. I'll keep the opening range high, 677. If we get above that, I'll take it again. And then the 15-minute high is 687. I'll try, I'll add there if we get there. All right, we're coming back down, 50 seconds left. We're inside that 1 minute gap. We're inside that 1 minute gap there. That 1 minute gap is at 658 up to 671. So I would bring this back down. Oh yeah, come on, baby. Okay, so now new 15. So what do? Do they bring her down or bring her back up? Right now we're at the London highs, kind of holding on. That's where I should have taken it along, right there at the London high. See if we can hold VWAP. Now we probably do this. Nope. Come on, stay above VWAP. Gives you a dash of hope and then it takes it away. Bam. That's all right. I still like the trade. Maybe I'm just not taking it low enough. Oh, there's that 1 minute gap close right there at 57. What's SPY doing? All right, SPY's still all right. Maybe that's all this energy up we're going to get. today. Not much. We have not had any inside bars today. That's crazy. Nope. Come on, give me 89. Should give me 89. Need a bust above 87. And that would give me 89. That's for sure. Come on, sweep the high. Yep, they're going to take it down, fill that gap. Gosh damn, you fucker. The fuck was that? That was a bullshit move if I ever saw one. Well, they're really struggling to get past this. Fucking VWAP. Opening range high, 25,677. If we do that and we can pop above 87, 88, we should get a nice push up off the 15-minute long. Come on, just give me one push up. Problem is that fucking 21 keeps on coming down. I can't fucking, I gotta keep dropping my points just to stay below it. Come on. There we go. 87. Push up. Oh, you fuck. You just piece of... I trade NQ, therefore I drink. Fucking shit. I think I need to go put some fucking Kahlua in my coffee right now. $97, so it'll be 17. Damn it. Got a little too close. I was just playing around too. Well, I can start recording while this goes and does its thing here. Just took out a 1 minute gap fill. We have another one up here to 723. I'm going to sit 721. We just came up and tried to hit the 1 minute moving average, 710. What did we get to? 707. But we're within the strike point. Take me out, motherfucker. Come on. Yeah. 708 was previous day's high. All right, let me record some stuff here. So far, no inside trades. Oh, wrong. Google Sheets, come on. All right, TCS is done. Okay, so TCS had the one trade, 11.75, so 11.75. One and O. So I always like to show how I'm recording it on the stream, so that way there's no funny business. Okay, so there you go. 11.75, 1 win, 0 losses. I can take this one down. And for the month of December, for January, 6 total trades, 5 win, 1 loss, 3 winning days, 100%, 75 in December. Well, I only traded 8 days in December, so there you go. Even as shitty as, I mean, you know, today it happens. You're going to get 1 trade days. All right, so open. Let's do Gunslinger. He's done. Everybody's done. Gunslinger did 12.25. Is that right? Yep. 12.25. That last win was a good one. And he went 2 and 1. 2 wins. 1 loss. There we go. and he's up at 53 total points for the year. He did 12 today, two wins, one loss. Yep. And here's the summary from January, December, November, which any streams I had in November or December showed every trade that he took. So here we are in January, 11 trades, 6 wins, 5 losses, 2 winning days, 1 losing day, for a total of 3 days in January so far for 66.7%, but only a 54% win rate. So see how it ends. Okay, that one's done, that's done. Bots. Unfortunately, this guy's got 15 points, and these guys haven't triggered yet. So I'll have to wait and finish them up when they trigger, not before. That's what I got. We're getting a nice trend line here. Just saying. Turn him off. I was thinking maybe the last candle we were going to get 15-minute inside bar, but no. But we got 40 seconds. We're going to get one here. I'll hold on. We will not get a... Oh, no, I'm sorry. We're going to get a 5-minute, not a 15. Well, we got 28 seconds, and as long as we stay above 67... what's that? Low is 68. As long as we can stay above 68 in the last 17 seconds, we're going to get a 5-minute inside bar here. Nothing on the 15, so I'll take him off. And this is going to be a short, probably a short only. Don't know. I'm thinking. Yep. And apparently, unless I can't see it. Michael, did yours trigger? Did yours trigger to show you a 5-minute inside bar? Oh, because I have mine set up for 11. Oops. Okay. Hold on. Let me put this till 12. Yeah, it's not going to show it just because I don't have it set. It's set to quit at 11. So it's going to be too late to take the trade, I think. Yeah, 11 o'clock's the cutoff, so it's not going to show it. Uh-oh. Locked up. Oh, no, still working. There you go. Okay, so shorts only. So if it comes out the top here, which I'm guessing we're going to, not going to take it. 700. So it'd be a long right there. I'd take that long if it came up there. And the only reason why this is showing up is because I changed the time. So technically, for accountability reasons on the spreadsheet, this trade will not count because my time is just to quit at 11, no matter what. So I actually won't even have the system take this trade. I'll do this. It's just for fun for me right here. I'll try to take the long. Because that high is 700. So actually I need to drop that down. And I would take the short too. Nope, not there. What's that short? 72, the low. 72.25. Right there. I'd sell one there. The long and the short of it. Still got a buy signal on the 2-minute NQ trading view. Watching Viking. What am I watching? Give him a shout out here. The Bearded Viking. What? Yeah, Bearded Viking Woodworks. 4 woodworking projects every beginner should know. Okie dokie. Add a dab of glue. That's what he always says. Add a dab of glue. And whatever triggers, I'll close the opposite trade. I should probably change that to say shorts only. I think the idea was to say, look, you can still take this trade. Software is only going to take the shorts. Sometimes that 5-minute can still, the opposite direction can still be pretty powerful, especially if you just came down and hit the 78.6. See if it'll give me 20. We're looking for 20. Technically, the stop is down here at 671. 672. Something like that. I won't let it go that far. I'll risk 20 to get 20. How's that? Hopefully we don't reel our it doesn't make the point of saying why you don't take that trade. Yeah, what the hell. You don't take that trade because your trend is short right now. So if the trend is short, why not go with the trend? Gonna lose 10, looks like. Come on, stay up, get up. Okay, so on a 2-minute chart, we came back above. There we go. That's why you don't take that trade. Okay. That's why you listen to the software. You built it for a reason. Okay. So we crossed the 21. Normally, 691 would have been my long. And you would have gotten 10 measly points out of it. And your stop would be at 72. Look at VWAP flat. Not a good sign. This is a better looking trend line here though. Break. Versus this one.
Inside bar, entry.
There you go. Remember, I'm not counting this trade with my system, so no matter what happens, this will not be included in the software. The 15-minute can still fire because according to its system and its trade plan, the 15-minute can fire till I think 2 o'clock. The 5-minute can only fire till 11. After 11, the chances or the probabilities of winning are a lot less. So I took it out. That's why I stop it at 11. So it's going to take me once and twice, motherfucker. Yep, look at that, some bitch. Oh, let's see. So the stop is either 30 points or the high of the bar. And the high of the bar from 72 to 700. So it's 28 points, roughly. And there you go. I'm done. Damn it. Got back down to. All right. That's all I got. I got nothing else. Oh, wait a minute. I got one more thing. So Google Docs, if I go to my bot suite, today was supposed to be a F day, just like yesterday. And it might turn out to be. So 15 pre-2 minute, you got 15 points. 5 minute, you got 0, and we'll see what the day ends up with on the 15. Oop. And what are we going to do? Best out to the top. So that's what I'm going to record so far for this guy right here today. Tuesday. Oh, I got to change that. I'll be in Monterey Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's that. So I'll record tomorrow. Maybe I'll put out a post or something. Now I'm going to be leaving pretty soon, so maybe not. Yes. What are you going to call that? All right. Ciao. Have a good day. Good luck.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna